Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device. And also how to enter them. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open your phone application, then open keyboard on it and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *##4636 *##**. And that's how you can enter the testing menu, where you can see different phone informations like this. You can also go to the more informations here. You can see your usage statistics for different applications, for example. And you can also see your Wi-Fi information here. The next code for today will be *##225 *##. This is the calendar info menu. You can see your calendars here if you have one. As you can see, I don't have any calendars on my device and on this menu either. The next code for today will be *##426 *##, and this is the Google Play Services FCM Diagnostics menu. You can see some of the useful informations here, I guess. And the last code for today will be *##06#, and this code displays your email number 1 and email number 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.